Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Gita Shloka 18.42. Qualities of a Brahmana. Brahman is that transcendental supreme lord, and Brahmana is one who has these qualities naturally from birth and who realizes Brahman. Bodily and mental qualities comes as genes from our parents and ancestors. We all get good and bad qualities right from birth, and those are given to us through our parents but coming from our past life. Though they are carried from past life, we can work on them and improve our qualities. But how is that possible? By performing devotional service, one gets all good qualities naturally. By focusing on internal progress, improving our qualities, our future will be bright. Hare Krishna. Wishes from Gita4youth.